National Committee on Biosafety in the Philippines ang pagpapalakas sa ating mga kababayang magsasaka. Ayon sa ahensya, malaki ang papel ng mga magsasaka upang mapanatili ang kasapatan ng pagkain sa bansa. Yan ang tinutukan ng aming kasama, si Ara Perez.
Tayong mga Pilipino, kay hilig kumain. Kaya naman sinisikap nating magkaroon ng sapat na pagkain sa bawat hapag. Ngunit sa isang bansang may 2.8 milyong nagugutom, malaking hamon nga raw talaga ang food security. Bagay na sa loob ng 25 taon ay mahigpit ng tinututukan ng National Committee on Biosafety in the Philippines.
It is already doing very well and is already being adopted by farmers and has significantly contributed to food security in the country as far as maize and corn is concerned. So if it happens, it can happen with the other food crops, rice and the other staple crops.
We really need to develop varieties that can respond to climate change, for example, drought-resistant rice variety, for example, or a rice variety that will not die when there's flooding.
Malaking araw ang pakinabang ng Pilipinas sa agrikultura. Kaya naman makabuluhang susi rin sa food security ang pagsuporta sa mga magsasaka.
This will also benefit the farmers, of which we are dependent on, because they're the ones who till the land and make sure that the food we eat on the table is enough and safe.
Kung may sapat at tuloy-tuloy na produksyon, dapat ay selyado at sigurado rin ang sanitasyon ng mga pagkain ito.
Most of these products have been imported in the country illegally, so there are no very clear labels, product labels, no information attached to it. With regulation being firmer, well, not necessarily stricter, firmer and more facilitative, I look forward to more years of more effective, more efficient regulation.
Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Ara Perez.